Welcome guys to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create those Ghibli style images you've been seeing all over the internet. Now, first thing is your account type. Um, Unfortunately, the lowest account type you need is at least a plus one, which is the one I'm currently on. Unfortunately, you cannot do this in your free plan. So as long as you have that, you go on the plus button here, which allows you to upload files, upload from computer. Now, the image I'm going to use is going to be this meme right here. I'm sure you've seen it all over the internet. At least 2-3 years ago, it was everywhere. So I'm just gonna use this for this tutorial. Then, once you've uploaded the image, just click the three dots, then type in create image, then add in Ghibli style. That's it. That's all you need. Then you click on the arrow, and now ChatGPT is gonna do the work. And as you can see, the image is ready. I mean, it looks fucking amazing. But I mean, it's the new generation of ChatGPT for you. And yeah, that's it, guys. All it takes is $20 and you get this amazing shit. So if you like the tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next.